Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, we're still westbound in through the park here. Come up to Horton.
Let him do his thing. Yeah. Let's let him stay.
Horton and Churchill.
No reason to get up on him.
Nope.
Como and Lex.
There, we got a little space now.
Your incident has been updated.
Turn left and went south on Lex. Come up to Win.
Your incident has been updated.
Take a left eastbound now. Como. Come up to Churchill.
Your incident has been updated.
Clear right.
Your
Still
incident
clear.
has been updated.
We can get sticks in front of them, then we'll light them up. I did a U-turn. It's going back westbound now. Westbound, come on, Como and Win.
Your incident has been updated.
That's a squad there. That's your guy right off your left.
Missed him.
Yep, that was your guy. Northbound Lexington.
Missed him with the sticks.
Your incident has been updated. Your incident.
That one did. He was trying to stick that over there. Okay, it went back eastbound now into that Tangletown by Churchill Van Slyke area. Horton, Gateway Boulevard, Como coming up. Good stick at Lex and Como.
Your incident.
Yep, he's coming apart here. He's on that Nagasaki now going eastbound.
Come on. Has been updated. Your incident has been updated.
Copy, there was good sticks, at least 2 times. Yeah, good sticks. Still on that Nagasaki. Oh, just missed those. No hit on that one.
Your incident has been updated.
Alright, southbound, Como.
Your incident has been updated.
When they bail, we're staying with the driver. We'll let you know how many go. Alright, those tires are coming apart. Como and Grotto still eastbound here. They're really coming apart.
This is the time to pit them.
Bailing. They're bailing. Let me see here. Waiting area 618. One person out 618 Como. Vehicle continued. We'll let you know where they go. They're on Dale. Good.
Let's just light it up.
Alright, good
Get a
pit.
pit.
Good pit. Eagle stop. Driver's bailing, running. Oh, now, yep, still north.
Where is it?
He said north.
Shoes came off. Now Barefoot's running northbound on Dale.
Sounds like they're in the area of Dale.
Taking one into Dale, Como, and Front.
Your incident has been updated.
If we still have one outstanding, they're going to dump at 618 Como.
Copy, it sounds like
Yeah,
they're
So, how's it? I want that female back by Speedy Foods.
Sorry, last time I got to be. Go ahead.
Front Dale, 20 out. Take care of the customer.
Oh, coming out.
Your incident has
1070, do you have someone with you at Speedy Food?
Copy.
Good. Well, everybody down. Everybody's in custody.
Your incident has been updated.
Everyone, 10 full squads are in custody. 2265.
Your incident has been updated.
Is it 10-1 clear?
Negative.
256, just to clarify, for 2770, there's still one on 6. This is the second one that came out of that car. So we're still missing one on foot. Just a passenger at this point. All we got is 3 on foot.
Your incident has been updated.
You guys want to set a perimeter for this one?
For Ramsey County Canine, we're not going to track on it.
Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated.
Heck yeah. Good job. We're clear.
We could share a whole lot more about this, but we really can't. But this was a car we were looking for, and a suspect we were looking for who
2256 Ramsey.
fled. And Chad had his first successful stop stick deployment.
Don't remind me.
And Thomas lived up to the cat team name because he hopped up like a
We need to go to the old uniform.
leopard.
With the flat female. Copy, I'll have to.
I felt like I was playing football again. The kid.
Let's go take a look at the car. See
Yeah.
how many tires got hit.
Just trying to let everybody else pass us. Ooh,
Can you send me the last?
she's gonna need a brake job, I think.
County incident last, whatever you want to call it.
Your incident has been updated.
Copy.
Here we are.
Your incident has been updated.
Can't really get much closer.
I'm gonna hop out with the camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a peek.
We're gonna get a close up of the effectiveness of your stop sticks, Chad. How many tires did you get?
Hoping 4. That was it.
That's nice. Well, there's the shoes he ran right out of. Oh my. All 4?
I don't know. I got 2 on this side are good. Chad, 50%. This is a stolen car.
It is.
Oh, the St. Paul. Yeah,
Excellent.
it is. The female has a felony warrant. Just 2? And I haven't seen what the guy got. First stick. That's just, I love it. That jacked me up. I sent your North Edge plan.
And there's, I'm guessing, possibly from the pit maneuver.
Hey, Nicole. Hey, so are you want the shoes? The female passenger that is down there at
Enough to run the dog around.
She's in the back of your car. She's in the back of your car.
Hello, cat team members. Say hello to your audience.
And then I think the third was still outstanding. Him dropped off one. So she was the only one that got dropped off, right? Okay.
Anybody you want to say hi to live on patrol?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Chrissy.
You're making you proud.
Great job, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated.